Hello guys, what's up? How are you all doing? I'm here in senior quarters, Gulu. This is a rich neighborhood of the rich people around Gulu City. It's very quiet and peaceful. Beautiful place, nice houses. The road network here is also very good, as you can see. So, if you're looking for a quiet and peaceful environment in Gulu City, senior quarters is the place. Uh, there are some. This spot here has some vacant plot. Beautiful neighborhood. So today I just thought I should take a walk around senior quarters. It's a nice and beautiful place, as you can see. This is senior quarters in Gulu. Beautiful roads. Yeah, I thought I should share with you. Otherwise, how are you guys doing? You guys who have joined my live right now. I hope you're doing good. Yeah, I'm just trying to show you the neighborhood where the rich people in Gulu City reside. Yeah, this is senior quarters, Gulu.